morning, grade 1. How are you today? I hope you are fine. So, our lesson today will be part whole model. What's the meaning of part whole model? We use this part whole model in addition. Okay. We also can use this in the subtraction, but first let's start with the addition. Okay. Uh, part whole model contains two part, two parts and one whole. Where are the parts and where is the whole? Okay, first, in this addition sentence, we have two parts and one whole. Okay, where are the two parts? Where are the two parts here? Yes, 3 is the first part and 2 is the second part. So the parts are the smallest numbers. Can you see in the addition sentence? The parts are the smallest numbers. Okay, so 3 here is part number 1 and 2 is a part number 2, right? Also, if you note that we have plus sign between the two parts. So we have plus sign between the two parts. The whole is the biggest number. The whole is the answer, is the biggest number. The whole always be after the equal to sign. Okay, so here we have the two parts, first part and two parts, and the whole is the biggest number. Okay, the first part here is 3 plus second part here is 2 equal to the whole is 5. Okay, let's try another example. Where are the parts here? Where are the parts here and where is the whole? The parts are the smallest numbers and the whole is the biggest number. The parts here, 4 and 3, between them plus sign. Okay? The whole is the biggest number that after the equal to sign. Okay? So the first part here is 4 plus the second part here is 3 equal to the whole, 7. 4 plus 3 equals 7. Part plus part equal whole. Okay? So let's see in this example. 5 plus 1 equal to 6. Where are the parts and where is the whole? Where are the parts and where is the whole? The parts are the smallest numbers. The whole is the biggest number. Where are the smallest numbers? Yes, here 5 and 4 and 1. 5 and 1. So 5 is part. 1 also is part. Excellent. 6 is the whole. So did you get this? Let's see this again. The parts are the smallest numbers and they have between them plus sign. The whole is the biggest number and the whole always be after the equal to sign. The parts are the smallest numbers. The whole is the greatest number. Let's take an example. This is puzzle game. Do you know puzzles game? Part, whole, puzzles. Okay, here we will use the puzzles game to do the part, whole model. Okay, here we have two parts and we should to get two parts together to get the whole. Okay, so let's see the first example here with triangles. How many triangles can you see in part 1? Yes, 2. How many triangles can you see in part 2? 2. Okay, you'll add these two parts together to get the whole. So the whole will be 2 plus 2 equal to 4. 4, the result is the whole, the biggest number. Okay, let's go to another example. Here we have part and whole. We have two parts and one whole. So how many circles can you see in the first puzzle? We have 3 circles, right? So in the second part, we have we have 2 circles. So we will add these two parts together to get the whole. We will put here plus sign. 3 plus 2, 3 plus 2 equal, the whole is 5. Okay, let's try another example. Okay, so the puzzles with the squares. Okay, here we have 2 parts and one whole. The first part we have 1 square. The second part we have 3 squares. So between them, plus sign. The 2 parts always be between them plus sign. What is the whole? The whole will be the result of this addition sentence. 1 plus 3 equal 4. 1 plus 3 equal 4. Okay, the last example. Here we have 2 parts. Can you see in the first part, we don't have any triangles. It's nothing. So you will write 0. Do you see any triangles? No. So we will write 0. In the second part, we have 3 triangles. 3 triangles. So between the parts, plus 0, a plus sign, sorry, plus sign. 0 plus 3, nothing plus 3. You will add nothing on 3. So it's still 3. Why? Because here we don't have any triangles. Can you see that? So nothing plus 3 equal to 3. So this is our lesson for today. We learned today the part whole model. We learned also the 2 parts are the smallest numbers and the whole is the biggest number. Also we learned that the 2 parts have between them plus sign, and the 4 always the whole always be after the equal to sign. Uh, I hope that you get this lesson today and understand this lesson well. Have a good day, grade 1. So, bye bye.